In today's Mobility Everyday video, we will be doing movements specifically to release the knots in the spine and shoulder joints here. Each movement will go by quite quickly because we want to make sure that we go through every corner and every angle of the joints. To start, stand with your legs hip width apart, palms face forward. And scoop your arms up and down to the back. Minimum movement in the torso and pelvis for now. We're just moving the arm bone in the shoulder joints. Now both arms at the same time. Feeling like both arms are really rotating in the shoulder joints, try to move equally on both sides. Legs wider than hip width apart now. And move your entire torso and your pelvis along as you circle your arms from the front up and down to the back. Back to doing it on single arm here. See if you can bring the arm circle a little bit bigger. Looking straight ahead as you do that, rotating the arm bone in the shoulder joints as much as possible. Again, minimum rotation on the torso and pelvis. Still on single arm, now move your torso and your pelvis together. Making the movement bigger, circling bigger. Have both hands by your pelvis and start doing a simple side bending from one side to another. You can stand with your legs wider than hip width apart. Now let one arm hang down. Let it hang and feel like it's really like a bone hanging in your skin and hanging off your joints. Allow your head to bend with the spine, looking straight in front. And if your arm feels like swinging a little bit, let it. By doing this, we're allowing the arms to kind of go down with gravity in this side bend. As a result, we will be loosening the joints by letting it descend downwards. I'm showing you from the back. Put your hands in prayer position and try to bring both palms in as much as you can. You can keep both hands low, doing the same side bending, but keeping your hands in prayer position. You're extending your shoulders as you're side bending, giving your front body more opening. Doing it slowly here, side bending, and feel the shoulder extension and the bending of the ribs. Try to keep the weight on both feet equal and the pelvis not shifting too much to either side. Keep your pelvis at the center. Press your palms in again, side bend on a wider stance. See if you can allow your head to drop to the side more. Allow your head to go down with gravity, just like the way you hung your arms over the shoulder joints earlier. Feel like it's hanging down towards gravity. It will loosen up all the tight tissues around the joints area. Release your arms here. Have your palms face up and down. Turning the arm more in the shoulder joints here, facilitated by the movement of the palms. And feel how your shoulder blades are following along as you do that. We are preparing for the next movement. Now bring one arm up to touch the lower arm. If you can touch, that's great. Mine doesn't really touch, and that's okay. The purpose is not to touch, but to put the arm in this position, and I'll show you what we're going to do next. Do this as a preparation first. Keep your arms in one position. We're starting on one side. Rotate your body, your torso and your pelvis from one side to another. You will feel how your underarm is opening up when you turn to one side, the side where the elbow is up. And when you're ready, and change side. Doing it gently, but no need to do it too slowly. Try to keep the upper elbow as open as possible, opening the underarm area. Rotate to one side now. Bend forward and going up and down on the diagonal angle. So as you come up, arch the spine a little bit, looking diagonally up for a second. Again, opening the chest and the underarm area more. Change your arms and go on to the other side. Keep your spine as straight as possible as you do that. And of course, also keeping the upper elbow as high and as open as possible. And if you can, try to keep both legs straight here. It's not the same if we do it with bent knees, yeah? Because we want maximum elongation. Again, turn your palms up and down as a transition. Slowly, open your palms, bring your arms up, take an inhalation, and slowly exhale down. We're not finishing yet. This is a transition. What I'm doing here is I'm lifting my rib cage up as I open my arms up. Try that. As you bring your arms down, feel like your rib cage is descending downwards. As you bring the arms up, your rib cage rises. Bend the knees and you will be able to accentuate the movement more. Bend the knees, curl down. And bend the knees, bring your arms up, lifting the rib cage up. Bend the knees and descend down a little bit so that you can go higher again the next time. Spread out your hands 180-degree angle. Rotate your spine to one side and close the outer arm in. So if you rotate left, close the right arm in, but keeping both arms shoulder height, parallel with the floor. Hold on a bit longer here and rotate your body just a little bit more. Of course, allowing the pelvis and the entire torso to go along so that we get a maximum spiraling of our spinal structure here. That includes the pelvis. Keeping the elbows in one line, even if you're bending the outside arm. inhale, feel like you're lifting the shoulder blades up, and as a result, the arms are rising up. Doing a little massage here around the joints and the shoulder blades area. Very subtle. I hope you can see it clearly in the video, but very helpful. Rolling the shoulders to loosen up, we are going to start to roll down. Now, this is a different type of roll down. As you roll down, see that I'm wriggling the shoulders, rolling it a little bit, and rolling it back as I curl back up. By doing this, we are further releasing all the joints around the shoulder blades, the ribs, and the deltoid area. These joints require small movements to release. If we do big exercises, big movements, it's not going to help. Only by wriggling and sometimes bouncing the body, we are able to access these little joints and help it to release all the tightness that are hidden within. You can reach lower, curl down more, but always wriggle your shoulder blades in this case. In fact, the lower you roll, the more you can reach the depths of your joints around the shoulder blades, shoulder joints, deltoid, even the upper ribs area. I love doing this. I enjoy doing this very much. So try it for a few times, to get the hang of it. Now stay low. Put your hands around your kidneys area and just start to kind of bounce your body down. Bounce your torso downwards to release more of your lower back. Scoop your belly in. Continue to wriggle the shoulder blades a little bit more here. I hope you can feel the effects of these small movements. It may not look like much, but trust me, it's doing a lot of good to help us release all the hidden tightness. I can't say enough about how important it is. Keep wriggling the shoulders, rolling it back, wriggling the shoulder blades. Do it every day as a movement interval if you like. I feel this is enough for today's video, and I'm going to sign off here. Keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. And if you like this content, do like, share, subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. It will help me to grow my channel. It will certainly motivate me to make more mobility related, especially spine related content, which I love, because I totally believe in it. So see you very soon in the next video. Take care and have a lovely day.